Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your mobile device. Open the application and complete the initial setup, including securely backing up your recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device, so store it safely in a private location. To begin, open your Trust Wallet and locate the Buy button, usually found on the main screen. Tap this button to access the purchasing options. You will then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Be aware that minimum purchase amounts often start at around $50, depending on the provider you choose. After selecting Bitcoin, you will see a list of third-party providers. Compare their rates and choose one that suits your needs. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, for example, $100 worth. You will then be redirected to the chosen provider's secure platform to finalize your payment details. Once on the provider's platform, carefully review all transaction details, including the amount, fees, and total cost. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. Your newly acquired Bitcoin will typically appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes. Remember to always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.